2019 Harley-Davidson Softail Slim. I installed TC Bros license relocation kit. I like it. It cleans it up. You don't have that flag sticking out the side. The one thing that was a little, not disappointing, but just a little off, was there was some play. That's actually pretty stiff. You can see there's a tiny bit of play. A tiny bit. But when I originally installed it, when I did that, I could hear a rattle. So I was thinking, okay, I'm going to hear that while I'm riding. So what I did was I put a little weather stripping on both sides just so that you don't have metal on metal. Besides that, though, it's great. Reuse your original OEM light, which is perfect right there. So you don't have to worry about it being deemed illegal. At least in New Jersey, you're required to have a light on your license. That's it. Pretty quick. I don't have them on now, but I also installed the mounts for Darken Viking bags, Darken saddlebags. They're nice. I think they were Odin Viking bags. I bought like 7 years ago when I first got the bike. Wasn't a huge fan of them. They rattled. I had to relocate the rear taillights, which I did not like. Actually, that's one of the things that prompted me to move the license plate. That light, there's a little nub, and the relocation mount actually, it puts more torque on that arm. Well, it snapped off the little nub, so the thing was I constantly had to retighten it every few weeks. It was coming loose. I got sick of it, so I went this route. And with the Darken bags, you do not have to relocate your tail lights. So the Darken bags actually have like scallops that go around the tail lights. They look sharp. They're a little smaller than the Viking bags that I originally had. But again, I wasn't a big fan of those bags because the way they mounted, they weren't the stiffest. And on severe bumps, I did whack the bottom a couple of times with the swing arm. So they have, at least the left one for sure has some scrapes from whacking the swing arm, whacking it. Anyway, that's it. Looks pretty good. Happy. Hopefully this helps. Bye.